Alright, I want to see if I can put this in a spot where you guys can be able to keep it. It doesn't want to stay. That is a pain in the backside. Alright, if she can stay around there, that's fine. Now, we've got all of our wiring in place. So that's all been taped up around here. So that's fine, that's what we want. Our RCA leads have been made quite clearly visible on the other side as to what they are, so that's good. And I just need to feed wherever that small black wire has gone. Not trying to be racist or anything. Okay, where are we? There we are. That's the missing piece of the puzzle right there. Okay. Now, that's us hooked up, ready to roll. So, just a matter of feeding these wires through. Make sure that you've got yourself enough clearance. And then, I might actually pull this out first. And I bet you once again that'll be the owner of the vehicle. Okay, hopefully this doesn't break on me, which it shouldn't. Is there anything missing my way around here? Yes, there is. Okay. Now, another thing here. Don't forget to plug all these back in. So, the white one here goes up top there, and the black one goes underneath. So at least that then is your... That's that sorted. And then, let's see what else. What else do we have around here that's of value? Yep, that light's got to go back in. Sorry guys, I got you on the got you on an interesting angle there. Okay, so that's back in place. Now, without any further ado, this should just now you can clear yourself up of the wiring over here. You can feed that through. There we go. There's a few more meters to play with. All this has to do now is slot back into place. Now, where is that phone coming from? Alright, you're up here. That's always a word of encouragement, which is good. Now, something's not working out for some reason. There appears to be a wire that's caught somewhere. So, this is where... Ah, yes. Okay. Give ourselves a bit more room. We may have to go on the other side and find out what's getting caught behind that section there. So, you guys have been a fantastic audience, you know that. Okay. Let's see, where are we? Now these are just clipped into place, so you've got to make sure you get it right. Now you've got to be careful that you don't force this thing into place, because if you do force it in, they're quite fragile and they can break on you. So be careful of that. Be very, very, very careful. In the meantime, I won't bore you guys anymore. I'll just put you on hold and I'll get back when this thing's all finished.